and thank you. Welcome back to this another video with Excel. Of course, these are just basics, and continue with me in this journey and I'll be able to show you more things that we can do with Excel. Excel is very powerful. So today I want to focus on one function that is very important in Excel. That is the Sumifs function. Now, how does it work? For example, we've been given these values, institution. These are not actual details. This is just I made this up. So now we have different on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, and we have different revenues for this. Then I've been told to give a particular revenue for example, for YouTube or TikTok, the total, because I can see TikTok appears on different dates. So I just want to give the exact revenue for a specific institution. So what do I do? Yeah, some of you might say I'll use filters, which I can do. For example, shortcut for adding filters, I'll just say Alt 80. I've added filters, so I can filter. For example, I can just filter TikTok and add these numbers and get the total. But I don't want to do that because it will give you challenges. You're going to face a lot of challenges at times, because you're going to find you have dates that are missing values and you have other values here, other columns with missing data, and it will confuse you. So now the Sumifs is the best in this case. So how are we going to use the Sumif? Let's say I want to check for TikTok. Okay. Let's say this is for TikTok. I want to just check for TikTok. Interesting. Okay. So now TikTok, here we go. So I'll add the formula here. I'll start with the equal sign, Sumifs. So I'll select Sumifs. Okay, then to ask sum range. So remember, it's not sum if, but Sumifs. There's an S there. So it's the first argument is sum range. Where am I getting the sum? It's a revenue. So I'll highlight everything and I'll say comma. This is criteria range. Which criteria? Because I'm looking for TikTok. So I'll highlight everything here. That is the criteria range. Then the next, I'll say comma. The next is criteria. What do I want to look up in the table? So I want to check TikTok. So I can go and click on TikTok, or select, just enter the name TikTok, or select the cell where TikTok is, which is C4. So I'll just click here and I'll say close the brackets, and I'll press enter. So it has given me that amount. So TikTok is that amount. I can do the same for let's say Facebook. So Facebook, I'll say Sumifs. Okay. So the sum range is this. I'll go here, I'll highlight everything, comma, then I'll go to criteria, I'll highlight everything, comma again, then it says criteria. What criteria do I want? For example, let me show you. I can still type. I'll type Facebook here. Facebook. Okay, I should ensure it's a correct spelling. Then, sorry, I'll do this, close the brackets, enter. Gives me the exact value for Facebook. I can do the same for YouTube. Just simple as that. Okay, so now you can prove by adding filters and check, just counter check, see if it's a correct value, which is just simple as that. You can do that in Excel. Now, let me show you one more thing even before I end here. Condition formatting. Say condition formatting. So I'll just highlight everything here, then I'll go on condition formatting. Then I'll go where it says new rule. New rule, I'll click on format cells that contain. On values, I'll select specific text. Then I'll say values that contain, okay, let's say I'll say that contain TikTok. Okay, TikTok. Let them be highlighted in green. Okay, so Here we go. TikTok has been highlighted in green. Simple as that. So you can do many things in Excel. Join me for more videos.